Hi, this is Watchobi, and today I got another unboxing. Now this is a Revelot watch, and as you see, this is the watch box itself. This is the watch. This is the R12 Hexmariner, 39 millimeter wide, with a very nice tapered bracelet from 20 all the way to 16. So it's really nice, as you can see here. Date at 6 o'clock. Screw down crown, sapphire crystals, ceramic bezel, blue in color. You can see that the special diamond-like texture on the dial itself. Very nice. Simple box. The things in the plastic. That's the I've resized the band already. This is the 2-year warranty period. So that's it. Very simple. One of a watch that's actually rather affordable. It's a nice display case bag. I'll show it to you in detail later in a review, but this is just an unboxing. So this is the Revelot R12 Hexmariner. And thank you for watching. Do follow on channel, more reviews coming up. Bye bye for now.